Steve Cook with Life and Air. I am excited. Back on June 6th, I was able to make the announcement at the general meeting for Knox REIA about the partnership that Life and Air currently has with Knox REIA. And for those of you who were not able to make it to the meeting, and perhaps throughout the years you've been attending meetings, you've been coming in, you've been seeing things, but you haven't been able to pull the trigger yet on becoming a member, I want to give you some reasons today why you should. When I was at that meeting, I had shared how I am new to the Knoxville area. I have done approximately 20 deals in the last 2.5 years. I have made just shy of $1 million in the last few years with the deals that I have done. And one of the things that I wanted to just share with you was that it's because of RIAs that I was able to pull that off in such a short period of time. It was through the networking and getting referrals and meeting with other people and learning a new market that I didn't quite know. In any case, another aspect of that is just having access to other people and experts around the country. And, through Life and Air, we do masterminding, and we have all different kinds of people who have different expertise in different areas. And so when you combine the networks and everything that I have access to, I was able to go ahead and pull off that, what I just shared with you, approximately 20 deals in about 2.5 years. But here was the most important thing. I moved here to Knoxville specifically to put my kids into a school, a private school here, Christian Academy of Knoxville was the reason for my move. I had a vision for the life that I wanted to live, and that vision revolved around I wanted to be a father. I wanted to be available to my kids. I want to be a good husband. I want to be a family man. Yes, I want to be successful in business as well, but not to the detriment of those other things which are more important. And so I have a very clear vision for my life. And as I have built out this business in the last 2.5 years, I have been largely focused on the vision that I have for my life. So I didn't break my back to make that kind of money over the course of the last few years. I work less than 10 hours a week, and I'm rarely in my office, but that started with a vision. And here's the thing that I wanted to let all of you know. By being a member of Knox REIA, you get to come to Life and Air events for free, where you can work on developing a vision that will transform your life and your business. Now, I'm just going to tell you right now, this is one of the best deals that you will ever find because it costs $997 to come to one of our events. But by becoming a member of Knox REIA, which only costs you $197 for a 1-year membership, you will get free access to our events. And so I wanted to just share this with all of you. I want to encourage you, make the most of it, make the most of being a part of the REIA. Come on out to a Life and Air event, develop a vision, and begin this life that you can just start to transform, create a lifestyle and a business that helps you to live and experience the successful life that you deeply desire. So I hope to see you at one of our events. Go ahead, get in touch with Whitney, sign up, become a member of Knox REIA now, and we look forward to seeing you someday. Have an awesome day.